and welcome to the Heart of the Home. I'm Chef John Maxwell, and we're here at Meadow Hall in Meadow Event Park in Doswell, Virginia, where every week we get a chance to play with some great Virginia food. Today, it's autumn, it's beautiful. We've got gorgeous sweet potatoes. We're going to make a spinach and sweet potato salad. I've got sweet potatoes cubed. I'm going to put them here into a little bit of olive oil. All right. Stir these up. All right. Squeeze a little bit of lemon juice on it. All right. And put in a little garlic. All right. Stir this all up good. And I'm just going to turn this out onto a little baking sheet and get this in the oven. We're going to cook this off for about 20 minutes. Okay, those potatoes are just about done. I'm going to go ahead and build the dressing here. I've got some olive oil in here. I'm going to add some garlic, minced garlic, and get that whisked in there good. I'm going to add some orange juice. All right. A couple of tablespoons of orange juice. All right. And I'm going to squeeze about a half of a lemon in there. Now I'm going to add about 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. You need to mix that good. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to the oven and I'm going to pull out those sweet potatoes, and I'm going to add the hot sweet potatoes into this dressing. Okay, these have gotten nice and brown on the edges. I'm going to put them right down into this dressing. That'll help cool them off a little bit. All right. Toss that. All right. Now I'm going to add some spinach. Toss that in the dressing as well. Now, I like to use one pot or one dish or one pan if it's at all possible. All right. Keeps me from having to wash more. All right. I've got a plate here. I'm going to take the spinach and set it on this plate. I want the sweet potato on the top for that color. Okay, now add some of the dressing all the way around it. Pull out those sweet potatoes. It's got that beautiful fall color. The last green of the season and the bright orange, getting us ready for the cold weather. Now all we need to make this perfect is a good hunk of Virginia cornbread. See you next time.
Recipes from the Heart of the Home can be found on the Virginia Farm Bureau website at vafb.com, as well as on Chef Maxwell's website at chefjohnmaxwell.com.